fans, and welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. This is our first video of 2023, so Happy New Year's to all of you out there. These are going to be the last two trains we filmed in 2022. Caught both these on New Year's Eve. This first one was on Saturday morning, right around 10:30. We were making our way out to do some errands and passed the Williams Avenue crossing, saw the gates were down, so we cut up Williams really fast. Wish we'd have gotten there a few seconds sooner. As you saw in the beginning of the video, that illustrious citizen there who was walking across the tracks when we first pulled onto Williams, he had his arms up in the air, waving on the train, fist pumping in the air, and was standing dead center in the tracks there. If you look closely, when I did get the camera started, the train did not miss him by much at all. As he continued walking down the street, he continued fist pumping in the air. Once he got past us, he started jawing at us a little bit, then he yelled at the car behind us. So another wonderful citizen out running around, walking down the street. So pretty amazing. Really shocked, honestly, that the train didn't go into emergency. I guess they figured he would move in time, or they'd just take him down. This train is M501, making its daily run from Bar Yard up in Chicago down to Radnor Yard, led up by two locomotives. You saw 7263 there, which is one of the CW44AC rebuilds, formerly locomotive 366, and trailing it was 5446 and ES40DC. Alright, and for the last train of the year, theoretically two trains of the year, we've got IO25 here making its way south. And sitting on the other side of the tracks, you saw IO26 was waiting at Amqui for 25 to come down. So we're at the cemetery. We're on the far west side of the cemetery, the northern end, where the tracks come through. Normally don't film from this side, but came over here due to 26 being stopped on the east side track. Sorry for the wobbling of the camera. Was making my way through the grass from the driveway, and thought I had time for 25 to not get on site until I had gotten up closer to the tracks, but it was moving quite a bit faster than I anticipated. So again, this is IO25. It's making its daily run from Bedford Park, Illinois down to Jacksonville's Moncrief Yard. Was led up by two locomotives, 866 and ES44AH, and 19, a really low numbered YN2 CW44AC. It's going to have a mid-train DPU coming up here, 5113, CW44AH. Is a mid-train DPU. 26, as you can see there, has just started moving, making its move to the north. And in a few minutes, as the end of 25 goes past us, I'm going to pan the camera over, catch the back end of 25, just as the back end of 26 comes north. So a pretty solid rear end meet we're going to catch. And then that'll be it for 2022. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys had a great New Year's weekend. And we'll see you back plenty here in 2023. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.